Hey again, Kevin Runlet with Runlet Law Firm. If you like what you're seeing in these videos, hit that subscribe button for me. It really does help us. And hit that like button. Give us comments if you have any. Today I want to talk about knee injuries and workers' comp. Very, very common work-related injury. Now I know there's lots of types of knee injuries. It can be very minor or it can be very significant. It could be an MCL tear, it could be a strain. I've even seen injuries to kneecaps where they were shattered and they had to go in and do surgery that way. Regardless, this is considered a scheduled member in the workers' comp world, which means there is a set number of weeks that you are available to you for payments for work for the time you're off work. So with a knee, it would be considered a leg injury and you would be entitled to up to 175 weeks. So also all the medical treatments should be covered with workers' comp. Sometimes there's surgery, sometimes it's just physical therapy, sometimes it may be a combination of the two. So it does not mean you automatically get 175 weeks for your pay or compensation for your pay. It means up to that. This is going to depend upon what the doctor says as far as your impairment rating goes. How does it affect your ability to go back to whatever job you were doing? So if it does impact your job, let's say you're a construction worker, you've got to walk around, you've got to climb ladders, you've got to crawl. If you have a severe knee injury and it impairs your ability to do that job, then it's going to be worth more than if you, say, have a desk job or a clerical job where walking is not a big part of what you do. So be prepared to talk to your attorney if you have a knee injury about really get into the specifics of what your job duties are. That will help us in determining the value of the case and helping you through this process. Now, if there's projected future treatments by your doctor, that could be covered in a settlement if your case gets to a settlement. So if you have a knee injury, you treat, you reach a point where your doctor says, okay, you've improved as much as I think you're going to improve, but I think you're going to have knee replacement surgery in a year or two. You need to consider that at settlement, because if you don't and you close the case, then they don't have to pay anything for that. The insurance company doesn't have to pay if you do that. So just keep it in mind, and if there's any questions about a knee injury on the job, just give us a call. We'd be glad to help. Thanks.